The reason we called Mad City is our windows were 24 years old, noticing some rotting and leaking and stuff like that, so we needed some new windows.
I think we needed to address it because we clearly were losing energy with the windows that we had, and it just became a time in the life of our home that we needed to make the replacement decision.
Scheduling an appointment with Mad City was extremely easy. I think I was online on Sunday when I just put in that we were interested in getting a quote, and it was lightning fast. I don't even think I hit the send button and it seemed like the phone was ringing, and a wonderful lady on the phone said, "Hey, understand you're interested in getting a quote. What are you looking for?" And basically we scheduled it right there. Total door, window, is about nine units, and it was done in a day. I mean, they were in, they were out. Excellent installation, very happy with it all.
When I was driving home, I was very curious and excited to look at the outside as I drove up to see what's the appearance and what is this going to look fresh and new. And I just remember seeing the side of the house as I drove up, and then the front, and I just thought, oh wow, it looks so clean. It almost looks like a new house because the exterior looked so good. And then I came in and my home is brighter and it's very clean. As you can see, it's very white, but I really, really like it.
The warranty on the windows, being the lifetime warranty, that was important. The lifetime breakage on the windows and that type of thing.
I feel like I'm in a very new home. It's really lovely.
Thank you, Mad City. We love our new windows.